In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Indeed emails. If you've been receiving a barrage of emails from Indeed and you want to regain control over your inbox, you've come to the right place. Let me walk you through the simple process of stopping those emails from Indeed once and for all. First, you'll need to start by navigating to your Indeed dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile or account icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action will lead you to a set of options related to your Indeed account. Next up, you'll want to find the Settings menu. You might see it labeled there as Settings, so go ahead and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, look for Communication Settings. This section is where you can adjust how and when Indeed reaches out to you via email, so head into the Communication Settings area to find what you need. Once you're inside the communication settings, turn your attention to a specific section labeled Additional Emails. This part is crucial for stopping those incoming Indeed emails. Here, you will see a list of different types of emails that Indeed may send you. What you'll want to do now is toggle off the options for Application and Account Status, Recommended Jobs, Career Guidance, and Indeed Feedback. By disabling these, you're signaling to Indeed that you no longer wish to receive emails related to these topics. The best part? You don't have to worry about saving your changes manually because Indeed will automatically update them for you. Once you've toggled off the email settings as described, just relax knowing that your preferences have been adjusted right then and there. To sum it all up, managing your Indeed email preferences is a straightforward process. By going into your profile or account settings, heading to the communication settings and toggling off specific email notifications under additional emails, you effectively reduce the number of emails Indeed sends you. This small action can make a huge difference in keeping your inbox organized and stress-free. If you followed along with these steps, congratulations. Your inbox should soon be free from unwanted Indeed emails. Feel free to leave a comment if you have other questions or need further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.